So friends, here's another small pot. This is a clay pot, and you can see the plant, the beauty of purple wandering Jew. It's growing in this pot made of clay, and it is a very cute small pot. So you can easily grow these wandering Jew cuttings in them. This is not a hanging plant, but it's really very beautiful. I like these wandering Jew plants. They are colorful, attractive, and you can easily grow them. Low maintenance and permanent plants, so ideal for your garden. You can decor your home also with these plants. They will grow anywhere you keep, but make sure it's not direct bright sunlight. So they grow really well in the shady corner. These are ideal for indoor and outdoor both. So this is another plant suggestion for you to have in your small planters. I purchased some small planters. These are all plastic, and I selected this because of the good drainage holes. Now you can see they are very small, tiny planters and with good drainage holes. So today in this video, I will be showing you what are the plants that fits into small planters. So these are the planters I got. They are very small, and I will show you the plants that fits into them. The first plant that you can put inside a small planter is the snake plant. This is Sansevieria bird nest variety. So this plant is very easy to grow, low maintenance, and a permanent plant. This plant, friends, doesn't need regular watering. You can keep it beautifully inside your home as a house plant. So this is an air purifier also. So these plants fits into small planters. There's another reason why you should put them in small planters rather than in big planters, because if you overwater them, the water amount is very less. So even if you overwater, these plants will not affect the plant since the planter is small. So that is the benefit of putting it in a small planter. So the first plant that I show you is this beautiful snake plant, Sansevieria. Next best plant for a small planter is the money pothos plant. This is a golden pothos variety, and see, I put a small cutting of that, and it fits into this beautiful planter. They are very small, so you can grow this money pothos variety also in a small planter. It looks really very beautiful and cute. You can keep it as a house plant, indoor plant, and decor your home as well. So try getting small planters like this so that you can grow beautiful plants like these money pothos varieties. You look at this one. This is philodendron. I put a small cutting of philodendron in this other small planter. I have selected well-draining soil. Now for all these plants that I have shown, I have taken garden soil 1/3, sand 1/3, and a little bit of cocoa peat. So in this Sansevieria plant case, I only took garden soil and sand. But for this beautiful pothos plant, I took a little bit of cocoa peat as well. Even for the philodendron, the same. So this is the other plant that I have put in the small planter. So philodendron also fits into small planters. There are many varieties, but I put this one. So it fits into this. So the next plant I show you is the spider plant. This is the best air purifier plant and one of the best indoor plant, or even if you are a beginner, you can grow it very easily. Easy care plant, low maintenance, and a permanent plant. Once you bring one plant from a nursery, you will see that you can multiply them with no time. So you can multiply them in a very short period of time. You will see this is one of the easy to care plant. As a beginner also, you can start up with this spider plant. So spider plants are air purifiers and also one of the best house plants. So they fits into these small planters. No need of big ample space also. Time to time, once they produce baby, you can put them in new planters. So this is the other plant that I show you that fits into small size containers. Friends, you've seen money plant, philodendron, spider plant, and the snake plant. Also, wandering Jew can be grown in small planters. So plants are ideal for small containers, small planters. I hope you find this video very useful. If you do, please give it a like it and share it with your friends and family. And if you are new, consider to subscribe to Thamara's Home Garden. See you soon with another gardening video. Bye.